Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. How does Amazon work to earn money from home? So make sure to watch the full video. The undisputed king of online shopping sites is Amazon.com receives more than 190 million visits per month. Comparatively speaking, that is the highest e-commerce marketplace. Moreover, it was projected to surpass $300 billion in revenue in 2019 after generating $238 billion in revenue in 2018. In addition to producing money on its own, Amazon provides several opportunities for individuals like you to do the same even better. You don't need to put any money into Amazon to make money there. 1. Amazon Merchandise. For designers, Merch by Amazon offers a source of income. Simply upload the design for a t-shirt, hoodie, or sweatshirt to start earning commission on each sale. You do not need to manage the trouble of fulfillment and hold any stock Amazon merch to make money on Amazon. Just create a clever design, and you'll be paid a commission when merchandise bearing it is sold. Here are a few simple steps to join Merch by Amazon. Create a design by registering for Merch by Amazon. Any product with the design uploaded, write a product description and choose the color of your merchandise. The creation of a product page, printing, packing, fulfillment, and customer service are then entirely handled by Amazon. Perhaps you believe this chance is exclusive to designers. You do not need to be a skilled designer, though, as there are several free online design tools available, such Canva and Snappa, where anyone can create a design that will be printed on a t-shirt. If you require further guidance, Amazon also provides its best practices page, which contains all the necessary design guidance, including artwork resolution, color choice, sizing, and placement. 2. Amazon Dropshipping. Amazon Dropshipping is the best option available if you like to sell goods with no upfront costs. There is a common misunderstanding that Amazon FBA and Amazon Dropshipping are the same. In contrast to dropshipping, which does not require bulk purchases, Amazon FBA requires that you ship the products in large quantities to Amazon fulfillment centers. Dropshipping. What is it? When a customer orders something from the seller's store, the supplier will deliver the item, and you will receive the difference as profit. 3. Choose a trending product to sell on Amazon. Create an Amazon individual seller account. Next, you will only be charged when you make a sale. To profit from Amazon, use dropshipping. Choose a dropshipping vendor with a US presence in order to speed up delivery. A US-based supplier was chosen. Observation: be sure to instruct your supplier to list your seller information on the product instead of suppliers. The seller's information, not the supplier's, must be on the product in accordance with Amazon's dropshipping guidelines. 4. Amazon Handmade. Another excellent resource for creative people to monetize their work on the largest e-commerce platform in the world is Amazon Handmade. Amazon made to sell on Amazon and make money. This marketplace is comparable to Etsy, where people can sell handmade goods like clothing, accessories, and jewelry. The best platform for you if you enjoy creating these kinds of DIY goods is Amazon Handmade. The product can also be shipped to an Amazon fulfillment center, where Amazon will pick it up and deliver it as part of the FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, program. Alternatively, you can deliver the product yourself. 5. Camper Force. For someone who owns an RV, this is a fantastic income potential. The Amazon Camper Force initiative allows users to make some fast seasonal cash. Amazon will provide revenue for Camper Force. A Camper Force associate's job is to choose a location's seasonal work. When the season starts, Amazon will designate a space, and you must store, pack, and receive packages from Amazon inside the assigned area in your RV. To conclude, every year, Amazon expands both in terms of size and status. Because of this, the business is compelled to devise novel and inventive strategies to maintain continuous workflow. Making Amazon's process simple has led to the majority of these revenue strategies. You already know that there are numerous ways to generate money on Amazon without spending any cash. You can generate money from the largest e-commerce platform in the world if you just have the desire to do so. So, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comment section below to tell us what you think about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.